Hello, in this video I want to show you a few different tips on how to set up this HAFURY GT20 for the senior person. And to do this, first let's try with a phone dialer, and here we have it. Now what you need to do is to click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen, head on to your settings, and then go for block numbers. Now you can enable to block calls from unidentified callers. It's optional to disable, so this will prevent any unidentified calls to happen on this device. Next thing is to open our settings, and here we want to scroll down for accessibility. And now you can, there's many different settings that we can change here. First one is screen readers, and you can enable any of them, and they will read out any button or any text that you're gonna click on. So let me show you that.
Text-to-speech output.
You just need to press on this accessibility icon right here to play the sound. So now let's turn it off and move on to the font size. This will change how big text on your phone will be, and you can change it to the largest. And as you can see, it's very big now and it's much easier to read. You can also change the display size, and this will change all of the icons and other app functions and how big they are. Next is theme. So here you can enable or disable dark theme. Currently I have a light theme, and you can see how it changes when I turn on the dark theme. It's just a preference, so just adjust it however you like. Next is magnification, and if you enable it, you'll be able to magnify anywhere on your screen by triple tapping. So for example, I can't see this tree. If we triple tap on it, it will zoom in and it's much easier to read. Now to undo it, we need to triple tap again. Let's disable it now because it's kind of annoying to record with. There's a color inversion, color correction that you can enable. You can remove any animations to reduce motion sickness, and that's basically all of the settings that I would suggest to enable. You can also adjust the audio balance and play mono audio, and this will change from which speaker most of the sound will come from. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.